So I'm trying to retrieve the completed projects for us to understand the area and understand it better. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, it's from a network. Oh, wow. Okay, let me download them and see. Oh, I'm not signed in. Oh, so sorry. I've not signed in. Fuck. Oh, this thing will be long for me here. Oh, please a minute. Let me quickly log into my organizational sign in. So I didn't know I'm using a new device, so I thought I've already signed in. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So please, we get everything. We get everything, please. I believe it will come. It will come now. So let me try if I can also access something here. Downloads. Teleco machine learning with 2. Please, if anybody sees anything like that, draw my attention. Draw my attention so I can open it from here. Oh, it's not here. Oh, they are not here. Let me come back. Oh. Oh. Please a minute. I think I should have logged in before. Okay. So let me open it from here and see. Okay. Because this might not give us what we are looking for. So let me save them here. Desktop. So let me save them here. So we can have a quick walkthrough over here. So, okay. No, I don't like the, okay. Let me see. All right. Our sister that asked the question, please, are you with us here? Hello. Please, are you with us? Hello. The person that asked the question, is she with us? She's not with us. Oh. Okay. So from the question she asked, this was the data set to predict the machine learning model I showed you. So from here, based on what the insight we gained from the data, or the insight I gained with the team from the data. Now, when we come here, we could see that our data was imbalanced based on the analysis we did. All these things have meanings, right? But we are not going deep into as to whatever here, whatever here. So from this insight we gain from the data, then what do we need to do? We have to come down here because there are so many things, so many important things that were still hidden in the data. So to be able to understand the data fully, then we need to add machine learning modeling to it, or algorithms to it, to be able to understand whatever that is in the data. And the goal was to be able to predict future data that aligns exactly with the past data. So many of the health centers machines they use for scanning, X-rays, lab machines, many of them are using machine learning algorithms behind. So over here, based on these statistical parameters or statistical insights that we gain from the data, what we did over here, these are just these are data science projects, right? So data analytics professional, you can do some of these things, but basically all these hard statistics visualization you are seeing here are for data scientists to do that. But with these ones, data analytics, we will be doing similar things like this, right? Especially these ones. So to be able to understand the data to this far will help you a lot, wherever you find yourself or wherever you see yourself as a data analytics professional. So over here, the mathematics, the formulas we use in mathematics, we code them, we perform them in programming to be able to get these ones. So beyond this part, then you are eating into data science from here, right? You are eating into data science from here. So you will see this, it is meaningless. You might not understand what is going on here, right? If a data scientist takes this data, the person will be able to interpret, and you should be able to interpret this to your organization, right? Why the 1 here? Why 0 here? Why negative here? Right? It all has have meaning, right? If you are asked to explain or present as a data analyst or as a data scientist. So here, the hypothesis testing, right? As a data analytics professional, you will also learn how to test hypothesis and its significance on data interpretation. So you also do similar things here, but usually if you want to work within Excel, if you want to work within Power BI, if you want to work within SQL, data retrieval or data management, you might not be able, or you will not be testing hypothesis more often, right? You will only be guided with business questions or problems to be able to do all these things. But as a data scientist, please, all these things are very important. Your mean, your standard deviation, your t-test, your p-value, right? It all has meaning over here. So I want to jump into machine learning here. All right, so the machine learning starts from here, future processing and engineering. So here, after you look at your duplicates, right, you look at your numbers, your values that are repeating themselves. After that, as a machine learning engineer, you divide the data. You divide the data into two. After that, what you do is to impute missing values. Impute means it's like where there is a 0, you are putting something over there, right? Because you can't perform machine learning and modeling with empty values. So you impute them, and based on the imputing, we have something called features encoding. So from the scaling to encoding, you will understand what the data means, especially when you get here. When you split the data, you will understand the data from this section. this section. Checking for class imbalance. So this class imbalance will inform your decision as a data scientist or machine learning engineer as to what formula to use to achieve the prediction or the trend you want to find in your data. So that's where you choose to use a decision tree as an algorithm, right? So this decision tree, maybe if you want to understand better, I'll do a video to explain deeper. So whoever want to continue his or her career over here, the person will understand it better. So now the decision tree wasn't enough in getting this result. So what I did is to understand this statistical parameters over here. So this statistical parameter will inform me again that no, this formula is not enough to achieve the result I need in the data. So I have to add another formula called logistic regression from the analysis. So after that, okay, now this is the result I got. This result has a meaning, right? So after this result, what do I need to do? Okay, let me evaluate my model. Let me try and assess the formulas I have used. And after assessing the model or the algorithm, or let me use the mathematical or statistical term, assessing your formula, your answer you've gotten. Okay, maybe I am cool over here, right? Then we have another thing to do, but we are not going over there. So here, the decision tree, the logistic regression wasn't enough, right? So we went ahead to add another model. So you can see that the fourth model over here, right, called SGB. So this is also another formula in machine learning, like the statistics. Naive Bayes or basis is also a formula, but if you come to data science or artificial intelligence, we call it algorithm or model. We also use this formula to understand what the problem is, right? And from here, we use another formula called support vector machine to also understand the data better. So you can see that you have to use so many formulas. That's the mathematical term or the statistical term. But when you come to data science, you use so many models, right? You see another models over here, random forest. So after you are done, we have something we call model comparison and model selection. So you can see that the formulas you've used, you must come and now group all the models and look at the performances of each formula you've used. After that, then you can be certain that, okay, from the sepsis prediction or the COVID-19 cases being recorded, the sampling we have, we are going to test this suspected patient, right? Either the person is COVID positive or COVID negative. Now, okay, from here, the best performing model I have here, maybe I can say my decision tree, right? I'm not explaining the statistics behind here for us to get confused, right? Okay, maybe my random forest also does work or did work in my calculation. So I'm going to rely on the decision tree and the random forest to do my prediction or to be able to detect that, okay, this person has COVID, this person do not have COVID. So please, if you ask this question, then this is a live data analytics, data science, and machine learning complete project. So as a data analyst, you start from here. You do more of this data cleaning, data EDA, exploratory data analysis. And from the exploratory data analysis, you perform what is called data visualization, right? So this is data visualization. But it will be different from what you do in Excel and other softwares. So these are data visualization. So this one, both data analytics professional and data scientists can do the same thing, right? And as you come down, you could see that the mathematics language is changing, right? From normal understanding to complex zeros and ones. This is where the data science comes in. Please, I have a meeting with the cohort 1 at 7:15. let me send a message. So please, if anybody has a question, you can ask, so we can bring the section to a closure. Please, if anybody has a question, please, you are welcome to ask. Please, any question? Hello? Please, am I audible? Yeah, hello.
Yes, thank you so much. Not really a question from me, just a word of to thank you for this session. It is really interesting. I like to see those visuals.
Okay, thank you very much too. Please, any other person? Any other person? Because we've spent, I think we are, please, any other person, so we can, Mr. Prosper. Hello, Prosper. Ike. Doc. Okay. Doc, please, any question or any clarification? Or you are okay? All right. Nameless, please, any question? All right, so without any further question or contribution, I humbly call for the closure of today's practical section. And for your information, I didn't know we are in Easter, so I would want us to rest tomorrow so we can start from Monday. So from Monday, we are going to jump down to our main data analytics training from SL, and the videos will be shared from Monday to Friday. Saturdays and Sundays are going to be used to do tough practical sections only. So from Monday, expect videos so you can be watching them at your convenient time. And if you have any question, you can ask. So Friday, Saturdays, Sundays, we will meet like we've met today. And from next week, our time is going to be 2 hours, not 1 hour. Right? It's going to be 2 hours at least. So we can cover a lot.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Be blessed with that.
All right. God bless you too. All right. So see you all on Monday.
Okay.
For Monday.
See you on Monday.
All right. So
yes.
thank you.
Bye-bye.